All right, we're going to show you about some BCAT products. BCAT planer boards. We'll show you how to put them out, what they do, and what they're for. First, we're going to put out these back 2 rods. A couple hunks of shad on here. Now let's go on to showing you about these boards here. The speed right, the wind's blowing out here, so it's blowing me all over the place. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cast this out. That's about as much line as I want out there. Then what we'll do is we'll after I get so much let out to where I think I want it to pull out, however much line you let out, that's how much it'll run out. So if you only want it out 25 yards that way, you know, you just have to play with it, adjust it, and find out where that would be at. Which is a little bit more off here, then I'm gonna lock it in. If you hear it, I'm letting it out. We're gonna go ahead and let the other side out. As you see, this one's tracking out. See it running right out there? Yeah. When I locked that in, that went off to the side. So I don't want it real far out there, but I want it to where it spreads off 40 rods out. So slow that down a little bit. Get some control and we'll put these up. Drop that other one out. All right, let's start with drag up. You can see that one there going out now. So I think it's enough, then I'll slow it down. Lock on and run out the side. I just want to sweep the whole back end. Some people like to run them real far out. I just want to make a big sweep. I think that's good enough on that. See, she just locked that in. You can see it spread out here. Let's keep it moving. Wind got us. Start to kick out as soon as we're at 0 speed. And right there is just to demonstrate how fast they run out. Right there's 0.6. See how fast it's pulling out? This one here over here is running out. See how it's shooting right out there? Slow it down a little bit. So now we got 2 rods out center. Let it spread out. I think most guys that drag boards normally run in between a ½ mile an hour and up to like 1.2 or something like that. Seems like these boards are perfectly balanced for in that range of speed. At least me pulling them it is anyway. So I'll speed up, slow down. You know, faster you go, the quicker it'll spread out. But it seems like I just lost the speed here. Wind shoves it down, so we gotta adjust to it. But anyway, watch, actually. I just had to put me complete stop. See this board over here? It's running out. I need to slow this down. See how quick it's pulling out? That thing jets out. We're at. Need to slow down some. If you go back to that, it seems like the boards have got a perfect design to them to run in between those speeds that it just spreads perfect hold there. They get out there quick. There you go. There you got it. Now tell them. Look back around. Look. Come right this way. Come right behind me. We go around. Go to the front.
Oh, you're taping me.
Yeah.
I've never done this.
Well, that's a good thing. Let me get the net. Right there.
I someone pick him up by his mouth. What's the thing that he's got coming out? I just wondered. How do I hold him?
Got him right top of here. Don't be scared now.
Okay, hold on.
Put
this side?
Put your right hand under your stomach.
Okay, I'm on a nut, babe. You gotta do that.
Right hand under your stomach. Under your stomach. Right hand. Right hand under your stomach.
I can't do this. Not yet.
Right hand. What are you doing?
Okay, hold on. I know we're taping. Can you give me a second? Okay, right hand under his stomach like
You keep going in circles. What are you doing? Come this way.
I don't know.
Put your this hand. Under. Put your hand under this.
I'm not yet.
Oh my God. Please put your hand under.
I don't want to do it.
Come on.
No. Oh,
Then work your way right around like you did. Or you can just stay right there and I'll scoop him up right there. Step back. Swing it around. Fish, it's a bigger one just yeah, I'll do it.
wow. He just came right off.
Pressure on.
Yeah, I wish we had a clip because I would do that all day. You know what I mean?
Here. Put it right.
Oh, sorry.
Take it.
I will. Is that okay?
Well, step over here and we'll get your fish. This is Michelle's fish.
Sorry, I don't have clips. See, I'm not scared of the slime.
Yeah.
It's just I don't know how to hold them yet. You know what I
That's
mean?
good.
Yeah, well.